Good morning students. In the previous video we have discussed about the classification of elements by different scientists like Newland, Mendeleev's periodic table given by Mendeleev. Today we are going to discuss about modern periodic table given by Moseley. And in the earlier classification, the elements are arranged on the basis of their atomic mass, but now he arranged the elements according to their atomic number, and he also said that atomic number is a better fundamental property as compared to atomic mass. So he arranged the elements according to their atomic number. If elements are arranged in order of their increasing atomic number, अगर एलिमेंट्स को हम इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक नंबर में अरेंज करते हैं, आफ्टर सर्टेन इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम उनकी जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं वो रिपीट हो जाती हैं. आफ्टर ए सर्टेन इंटरवल ऑफ एलिमेंट्स और एटॉमिक नंबर, जो उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं, इट कैन बी फिजिकल और केमिकल, लाइक वी कैन टॉक अबाउट द वैलेंसी. फॉर एग्जांपल, द वैलेंसी ऑफ सोडियम इज़ ऑल्सो, sodium valency is 1. After a certain element, again potassium is having same valency. So the repetition of these properties after regular interval is called periodicity. Periodicity is an important term, so you must know what is periodicity. Next, what is modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. In case of Mendeleev's periodic law, physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic mass. But now, after a certain atomic number, their properties are repeating. So that's why it is said physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function. Periodic means after a certain interval of elements वो रिपीट हो रही है. रीज़न, द periodicity जो है उसका रीज़न क्या है? आफ्टर सर्टेन इंटरवल ऑफ एटॉमिक नंबर, reoccurrence of similar electronic configuration takes place. If we talk about the electronic configuration or valence shell electrons, then after a certain interval जो उनकी वैलेंस शेल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है, या वी कैन से वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है, वो सेम होते हैं. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium, these are having one valence electron. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, these are having two valence electron. So they are having same electronic configuration, or due to these similar electronic configuration they are having similar properties. Explanation of defects. What defects are they? They are the defects that was in Mendeleev's periodic table. Those defects were explained by modern classification. Position of isotopes can be defined in case of modern periodic table or by Moseley classification, because in the Mendeleev's he arranged the elements according to their atomic mass, and isotopes are having different mass, so their position should be different. But he arranged the isotope, or he arranged the elements according to their atomic number, but the isotopes having same atomic number. That's why the position remains same in case of isotope also. Position of anomalous pair. Yesterday we have discussed about the anomalous pair. For example, cobalt, nickel. Cobalt is having atomic mass higher than nickel, but according to properties cobalt comes before the nickel. So this was anomalous pair of element. But according to atomic number, cobalt atomic number is 27, nickel is 28. That's why cobalt will come before the nickel. Same is the case of argon and potassium. Argon and potassium, argon is having mass higher than potassium, and in the series also, or according to properties, this will come first and this will come later. So according to arrangement of atomic number, these pairs can be defined. Now we will start the modern periodic table. What is there in the modern periodic table? You all, I think, have seen the modern periodic table. The elements are arranged in the increasing number of atomic number. And in the periodic table, there are 7 horizontal rows, those are called periods, 18 vertical columns, those are called groups.